10 warning signs you have a vitamin D deficiency. When you talk about vitamin D deficiency, the first thing that people think about is osteoporosis and fractures or loss of bone density. Far from it. In this video, you will be surprised as to how many diseases people suffer that are directly related to vitamin D deficiency. Watch now to learn more, because you may already have some of the symptoms and don't even know it. Vitamin D deficiency is a health issue that is hiding in plain sight. Many people don't realize that they are deficient because the symptoms are very subtle and not easily recognizable. This is especially true since people may just pass off symptoms as a common occurrence or attribute them to other more obvious factors. Approximately 1 billion people worldwide are suffering from vitamin D deficiency in their blood levels. Vitamin D is very important since it affects several bodily systems. Unlike other vitamins, it acts like a hormone, and it's needed by almost every single cell in our body. It is produced by our body from cholesterol when our skin gets exposed to sunlight. It is also found in certain seafoods such as tuna, salmon, mackerel, herring, sardines, cod liver oil, shrimp, and oysters. Additionally, you can get it from beef liver, cheese, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products. It is very difficult, however, to get the recommended daily intake of 400 to 800 international units from diet alone. Following are 10 warning signs you have a vitamin D deficiency. If you experience these and suspect that you lack this essential vitamin, put extra effort into increasing it in your diet, or consult with your doctor about taking a high-quality supplement. 1. Easily getting sick or infected. Vitamin D is one of the body's guardians against bacteria and viruses that cause illnesses. One of its primary functions is to boost the body's immune system. If you easily catch a cold or the common flu, that may be a sign that you are perennially low in vitamin D, and you may need to bolster your daily vitamin D intake to reinforce your body's defense system. 2. Constantly feeling tired and fatigued. Although fatigue may be due to several factors, with stress usually the prime suspect, vitamin D is often overlooked as one of the causes. Several studies have proven that very low vitamin D levels in the body is directly linked to the fatigue felt by its subjects and negatively impacts their quality of life. 3. Sleep disorder. Vitamin D deficiency may also contribute to sleep disorders. Researchers have found that supplements with vitamin D helped with patients with sleep disorders to be able to sleep faster and longer compared to others who are not taking the supplement. 4. Depression. Several studies have also found a direct correlation between low levels of vitamin D in the blood with bouts of depression among older adults. This can be easily remedied by taking supplements to boost the body's vitamin D level and avert the onset of depression. 5. Bone and lower back pain. Vitamin D facilitates the body's absorption of calcium, which is essential for bone health. Thus, when you are experiencing bone and chronic lower back pain, that may be a sign of insufficient vitamin D levels in your bloodstream. This can come intermittently or manifest itself as chronic pain. 6. Chronic pain. A study conducted by researchers from the University of Bern in Switzerland showed that 71% of their patients suffering from chronic pain were deficient in vitamin D. Pain manifested not just in their bones and lower backs, but in other parts of their bodies as well. The researchers connected this finding with the fact that vitamin D interacts with pain-sensing nerve cells in our body, which could have alleviated the pain if the patients had enough vitamin D in their system. 7. Signs of bone loss. Researchers have found a connection between low vitamin D levels in the blood and low bone mineral density. So, ensuring that you always have optimum vitamin D levels in your system is an excellent strategy to protect bone mass and minimize the risk of possible bone fracture. 8. Slow healing of wounds. A study conducted by researchers from the University of Alberta established that vitamin D is crucial in the production of compounds that are crucial in the formation of new skin as part of the healing process. A deficiency in vitamin D will seriously impair the body's capacity to heal wounds, which is vital, especially for those who have just undergone surgery or suffered a significant injury. 9. Hair loss. There are many contributing factors to hair loss, which include stress, aging, and poor diet. Researchers have found that vitamin D deficiency also plays an essential role in hair loss, especially among women. 10. Cognitive disorders. Vitamin D is essential to our nervous system and the healthy regulation of our brain functions. Vitamin D deficiency has been noted among patients who have Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's, schizophrenia, anxiety, and depression. It was further pointed out that cognitive impairment is 2.4 times more likely to happen among adults who are low in vitamin D compared to those who are having an adequate supply in their system. Ailments related to vitamin D deficiency may be more common than we think, but most people overlook this because the symptoms are very subtle and could also be caused by more common factors. If you are experiencing some of the 10 warning signs that you have a vitamin D deficiency, you should visit your doctor and have your blood tested to be sure. Fortunately, this is a fairly easy problem to address. To boost your vitamin D levels, you need to get out in the sun more, incorporate more vitamin D-rich foods in your diet, or purchase some supplements which are widely available in the market. Following our study references we used to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.